Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asif Iqbal. Actually, I am CFO and Company Secretary in Amica Energy Private Limited. Actually, we are the exhibitor in FED exhibition in this edition, and this is the third third edition. Actually, we are exhibiting here. Alhamdulillah, Amica Energy is considered and renowned as the top premium installer in the solar industry. Actually, we are providing the solar installation services for both for the residential and the CNI project. Alhamdulillah, you can see here कि Amica का जो footprint है in solar industry is huge. A lot of customer actually now visiting Amica booth just because of what the brand that we are carrying, because we believe in the quality services and the quality installation and ultimate objective at our the good customer experience at the end, because we not just provide the inventory to the client, we are providing the after sales services and the best of best customer services. Because in the solar industry we have built up indigenous best of the solar energy app, and which is considered as one of the best solar energy app in the solar industry. So I will request all you to visit Amica booth. आप हमसे मिले. We are our experts are here. You can discuss about your solar requirements. We generated your code about your solar generation, what the system requirement actually you actually required is. So this is all about the Amica Energy. So welcome to Amica Energy, and we will be this is the second day. Inshallah, we will be there tomorrow as well, and tomorrow will be the last day in the exhibition. Thank you.